Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying Turbo Power Saver is available on your device and that firmware is current. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, charge the battery to at least 20% so the system can calibrate power thresholds. Once done, enable location and background app restrictions because Turbo needs those signals to manage wake locks and network checks. Now open Settings, navigate to Power, and select Turbo Power Saver to start the configuration process. Don't pause, follow the prompts to continue. You now configure the heart of Turbo Power Saver, CPU and display rules. First, pick CPU throttling, balanced for everyday use, aggressive to extend hours, or custom if you need precise control. Then set the screen refresh cap. Lower rates save more power but may affect animation smoothness. Make sure to choose which apps are whitelisted so essential services still run. Also set background sync windows to restrict network use. These choices determine how aggressively Turbo saves power and how responsive your device stays. Finish by applying your settings and starting a 24-hour monitoring session to measure real savings and behavior. Check the Turbo dashboard metrics to confirm battery percentage trends and CPU usage. Make incremental adjustments rather than sweeping changes. If you encounter slow notifications or app failures, revert specific rules from the dashboard or relax CPU throttling. One key troubleshooting tip: if battery drain worsens, disable aggressive modes and uninstall recently added apps. That fixes most conflicts and restores stable power performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.